Cogiscan has been providing smart factory solutions for electronics manufacturers since 1999. That's right, we were offering Industry 4.0 solutions 10 years before the phenomenon revolutionized the SMT manufacturing industry. With over 450 installations on every inhabitable continent, we've learned a lot over the years. Most importantly, we believe factory digitalization shouldn't be complicated. Our goal is to guide you along what we call the factory data journey. Due to our modular and flexible platform approach, no matter where you are on the road to digitalization, we have a solution for you. Let's explore what's available to you within Cogiscan's factory data journey, starting from the ground level with the IIoT Platform. Proven to be the most important part of your factory digitalization strategy, you must establish a robust and stable foundation to connect and collect shop floor data, make sense of what's available within that data, and to share data meaningfully, both within and beyond your operation. Put simply, our IIoT platform helps set the stage for our TTC applications. These include factory control and visibility modules geared toward enhancing your manufacturing operation. Together, we will pick and choose the best elements to execute your factory vision on top of an already solid foundation. With thorough and precise material and machine control, you will be able to make improvements to achieve a seamless manufacturing operation. Our traceability application gives you detailed product, process, and material information at your fingertips to improve your overall quality control. With our analytics module, you will get a holistic view of your entire manufacturing operation and detailed analyses with actionable data. Our modular approach means you can deploy our application in parts or in steps, depending on your digitalization strategy. Only need machine connectivity? No problem. Connectivity can be implemented with or without data management from the IIoT platform. The smart factory isn't an all-or-nothing scenario. We understand factory digitalization looks different for every customer, so we work with you to identify what makes the most sense for your operation. We'll set achievable goals and implement pragmatic solutions that allow you to experience results quickly. As Dwayne McCauley, President and CEO of Dynamic Source Manufacturing says, when digital transformation is done right, we as a team transform as well for the better. Preserving positive human partnerships with our team and partners like Cogiscan in a change-ready environment is what inspires us to get on board with the advancements that new technological innovations bring.